Good evening, everybody. Johnny Seville from Acorn Wealth Corp is your executive summary for stock setups for Thursday. Just a quick one tonight. Not much happening across the board in the market. There was some early instabilities in the S&P that you can see on the SPY. If we just go to that, there we go. You can see in the SPY that early on we had dipped down through that upward channel, back into the previous downward channel, hit the open range support and then powered back up. So money flow recovering as well on the hourly chart. So that basically is what can often happen with a downward channel. They can break out, and on the retest they can pull back inside, stop people out, and then surge back up. So anyway, good sign for the market to continue, and obviously open range holding its ground, which is excellent to see. We don't get some kind of a fake out with the patterns failing. Um, Now let's go back to the daily chart. A few things to comment on, just to which I'm sure many of you are already aware of. But let's go to the daily. Okay, so obviously a couple of great movers today. I mean, BBOX is looking really good so far early on. I mean, it's you can see when the chart loads up here that it's been pushing great. So we talked about an entry at the open of yesterday. Opened there at 240 and just went straight up 45 cents now. So as you can see, up almost 20% on a total basis. It closed up 6.25% yesterday, up another 11.76% today, heading towards that moving average. As you can see, this was a perfect fallen angel, down around $2, and been one we've been watching for a while. So again, so far so good. It's looking excellent. Insider buying, of course. TNDM, another fallen angel that just keeps on going. Definitely rewarding investors that are holding this, up another 5.68% today over yesterday's 5.86% the day before. Just keeps pushing and pushing. It's certainly good for anyone who got in at any point in this rally. So Yahoo on that one. ADMP. Quick comment on that one. ADMP. Also, this is much more volatile. Certainly not as smooth as BBOX and TNDM, but nevertheless, that is starting to move as well. Taking its push, holding above the moving averages today and trying to rebound. So we'll wait and see what happens with that one. But nice to see it did bounce off that support. SRNE also, this one bouncing around and being able to get back inside its channel, pushing to the upside also. Now, obviously, we shouldn't just talk about the longs, but because LOMA has been absolutely fantastic on the short side. Now, so if you find that you're thinking that the worldwide economy is bearish, but the U.S. economy is being manipulated to the upside, that could be a sound argument. So go and find a weak economy. Argentina's been under a lot of pressure. This is an Argentine exposed instrument, and as again down from that $20 area that we found it as a short, it's just fallen all the way down today to 12.99. So you can't go wrong with that. That is terrific. So that has been a fall now of what, 30, almost 35% roughly. So anyone holding that, definitely you could consider lowering your stop signal to around say 16. It does look like it's going to fall further. Remember, it can't fall past zero, so there is a limited reward of only 100% to the downside. So protect those profits because it has to reverse somewhere. Whereas a stock going up can go up for an unlimited amount of time. Stocks to watch tomorrow. Look, I'm not going to be looking for any new trades tomorrow. I think we've got enough. But I mean, I do want to make you aware of a couple things on the watch list. If you are checking some new things out, RTTR is one of them. Which is just kind of trying to make a bit of a run here. So just keep your eyes on that to see if it breaks through that resistance around 380. But that's probably going to be a little while yet. And you can keep your eyes on RGLS. RGLS is one I do like that one as a possible entry if it starts to break out above 75 cents, and I'd be looking at a stop signal there at around 67. And in terms of a target there, I'd be looking at about 87 cents. So it's been an awesome few weeks. And again, if you're not getting these reports every night, and you would like to, we do send these out on a regular basis to our gold members. If you're just checking this out for the first time tonight and would like to be receiving these kinds of alerts on a regular basis, along with text message alerts, and classes every Tuesday, Thursday night, you can trial it for just $9. It's Go to acornwealthcorp.com/gold, GOLD, acornwealthcorp.com/gold. And that'll get you these video reports delivered to your email. You can access our customer portal as well. So you can come straight in here, go into our trading center, check out our trading alerts, your trading room recordings. But I mean, for the example of just the alerts, just go straight in here to the trading alerts, and you can go in and punch in, hey, okay, let me check out John's alert on TNDM, which is now been soaring, and you can pull that up. You can see our alert from February 27th, entry at $3.33. Obviously, this is now up to 1375, so over 400%. But you can go in here and you can check out the chart. This will, again, you can see the chart of when we originally picked it. Bang. That shows you the saved alert of when we first drew this chart out, and then you can actually go and click play and see what's happened since we alerted it to our members. So not only can you jump straight into getting the premium alerts on a daily basis, but you can also go back and have a look at what we've been picking over the last month and see how exciting that is. There's a bunch of those in there. I mean, another one that's really performing to keep your eye on at the moment, NSTG. You can check that one out as well. Again, was from March 30th as a long. $7.11 was the entry signal. Again, you can look at the notes of when we picked it and the ongoing commentary. But then go to the chart again, upload it. You can see the downward channel we identified, and just go and click play, and you can see how it's gone there from there. So again, for $9, you will not find another service out there, and like for $9, you should very quickly make the return on your investment to see it's worth continuing on. So again, check it out, acornwealthcorp.com/gold, and to all of our existing members, yeehaw! Let's keep on going. Got another great week ahead. Take care and good night.